So anyway, I'm playing World of Warcraft yesterday, and I've been recording this guy for a while. His name is Mussolini, is his character name. Now, I've reported him several times, and he violates the TOS simply because he represents somebody that killed over 300,000 people in Italy. He tortured, and that's what they know of. They they have reports of those 300,000. We don't know how many others raped, tortured, whatever. We don't know. It says clearly in the Blizzard TOS that it violates the TOS, but yet they don't do anything. And he's bragging about it. Oh, I'm still here. Also, I had an enchant on my cloak. It was an enchant to actually increase my spirit on my priest. Now, when I went to check it, it says, I'm sorry, you must be 550. So, what the heck? You're basically taking away something that I already had put on my cloak, that I already learned, and now you're basically making it so it's null and void, so I can relearn it again once my tabling goes back up again. Blizzard, you do this crap all the time. Number one, you're such a hypocrite yourself because basically you say it's a violation of TOS, yet you do nothing about it. You let these people survive. You never monitor trade chat. Half the stuff in trade chat is illegal, immoral, or by 99.9% of the countries would be basically punishable by law. People talk about molesting kids in trade chat, and they're reported. Nothing's done. People talk about killing people in trade chat. Nothing's done. People have names like Hitler and Mussolini, and we're reported, and nothing's done. They spit in your face. They basically say, oh, we're still here. There's nothing you can do. You allow them to make fun of ethnic groups. You allow them to use ethnic slurs. Nothing's done. It's funny how you have a double standard. If somebody accidentally or even purposefully ninjas something in a dungeon, oh my gosh, you will come down on like Thor's hammer. But yet you will allow the names for people that have killed hundreds of thousands of people. Innocent children, women, men throughout history. He's basically one of the Antichrists, so to speak, because he was an atheist, which technically is an antichrist. Blizzard, you really, really need to get your head out of your butt and start learning what your own rules are. Hire more people, do something. Because I'm telling you, until you do, you're going to keep hemorrhaging people. You're going to keep losing people. You're going to keep getting complaints. You're going to keep getting people that really complain about this stuff. This is nuts. Blizzard, do your job. You haven't yet, but I'm still holding out hope. Do your job. The right thing.